Hello people! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami flexagon. So what I need you to have with you is an A4 piece of paper and a pencil. So you need the pencil to mark the paper so that you know where to fold the lines. But with practice you won't need the marking anymore. So the first step is you fold the left corner of the paper towards the right corner. Okay? And then you unfold. Now you fold this corner, the right corner, down towards the center crease. Try being as accurate with your folds as you can, because this is going to be a moving object. And now do the same to the other side. Okay. And now flip the paper over and bend the paper until you can see this crease over here, the other side of the paper. And then you crease this really hard. And now just tear the piece off or cut it off, whatever you want. But just try to be accurate with your cut. And now this is the piece of paper that you have. Okay? Now turn it over so that these triangles are like bulgy. Okay? And then you fold the piece of paper in half. Like this. And now unfold. And then fold both of them towards the center crease, the top and the bottom. Okay. And now you need to make this a 2x8 square grid. So to do this, you fold the right side towards the center, and then you crease this, and you can keep it here. And then you do the same to the other side, towards the center crease. Okay. And yeah. Okay. And now unfold both of them, and then take this right piece and then fold it in half towards the same fold that you had. Okay. And then unfold. And then do the same to the other side. Now, take your right corner, right piece, and then fold it towards the second to last fold. Crease. And then unfold. And now do the same thing to here, the second to last crease. Fold the left. Okay. Now, what you do is you flip this over. No, you don't flip. Okay. And then you fold. Okay, so I'm going to mark these out. So it looks like this. Okay, see this one line? You're going to fold down on this line. And then you're going to fold down on this one as well. On this one. And then on this. And then on the other one. You don't have to be 100% accurate with your markings, but just try to make them accurate. Okay, so this is just one way of folding. Then, yeah, so now what you do is you fold it, okay, along the lines, as nicely as you possibly can. And then you just go along those lines, those creases, and fold. Yeah. Okay. Make sure your folds are not going into the other square that you have, otherwise the mobility of this will not be as smooth as you'd like it to be. And then last one. And there you go. That's just one side. And now you have to mark the other side like this, just literally the same way as you did the first side. So it makes like little diamond shapes. Okay, like this. Don't worry about the folds yet. Just don't get confused by the fold and the markings that you're going to do. Okay, so this should look like a diamond to you now. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold along the same lines inwards, okay? Just like you were folding this inwards, you're going to be folding the same one inwards. And you just keep going till you finish. Just go back and keep checking whether you're folding on the right one, because when I first did this, I failed. Very bad. Okay, the last one. And there you go. You should have folds that look like diamonds now, okay? And now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it inwards like this. Just make sure that these quarter creases are good. And then you find, actually you fold it in anyway. So you fold it into this little socket. This one, the right one, you fold into the left socket. And you do it until the right piece is in 2 grids, like this. So I keep going and put in. Okay. Takes a while. Just try to get the hang of it. Okay, and eventually you will have it actually in there. And now it should look like a little bit like a triangle to you now. So it shouldn't be looking like a triangle, it should be looking like a ring. So see these 8 ones, like this, you just puff them out a bit, like this. Okay, and that way you should have a little bit like a hexagon in front of you. And now what you do is you do the markings, okay? And so you need to find, if you fold this in half, like a triangle, then you will find that there is one that's shaped like this. So you fold it down, okay? And just fold it in half, and you should have a little triangle that looks like this. And then you do this to all 6 sides, 3 over here and then 3 down here. You get faster with this with practice, so if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay, last one. Okay, so you should have 3 hexagons looking at you right now, okay? And now, you see these 2 tip ones, you fold them down so that it's literally the same as as the last one we did. So it should be diagonal, 2 diagonal ones, and you just fold it down. Not completely folding it inwards, but you can if you want to get that extra fold. And then you fold it to the other piece, to the other side, okay? And then move to the next one. It does get a bit confusing, but let me fold this in there. It might not be super neat, but it should be able to move, which is your main objective here. And as I said, the practice makes perfect. Then the last one. The last one is especially the hardest because you have 2 other folds that you've done, and then it's just overlapping on top of them. And there you go. So in front of you should be something that looks like this, okay? And now, slowly, just really slowly, rotate this. And then if these little triangles up here puff up, then just fold them down like this, and then just continue going slowly so that the mechanism builds up, okay? And just keep going. If it's creased, it's fine. And then it should be like this. Just keep going. You can do it either way. You can do it inwards, or you can do it outwards. But to do it outwards, just go slowly again, so it gets that revolving mechanism. And there you have it. The moving flexagon, made completely out of paper and using a pencil. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.